Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Check out those lights right there. You don't know what they look like right now, but guess what? Those are the V7 Aero V7 tail lights right there. And the V3s are coming off. This is my buddy's car, of course. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Again, this vinyl is going to be coming off the wrap. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content. It's going to be very satisfying, and we're going to see what colors underneath this thing. And then, yeah, as far as the taillights go, you guys know I've already have a few installation videos. You guys could do it yourself, save a couple $100. In return, I just ask you guys to subscribe and like and share the videos with other people so they know how to do it themselves and get some knowledge. So make sure you guys comment in the comment section so the video could be spread out to other car enthusiasts. And yep, let's show you guys the taillights, what they look like. I'll put this to the side real quick. And all right, let's show you guys right here on this one. Well, I think I took off the other side, so let me show you that part right real quick. Look at that, smoked out, really nice, aggressive. I'm gonna show you the other side. It's getting windy out. Come on. Packaging is really great. I like this packaging. All right, so here's the other side, and here's this part. So that's what it looks like. But again, we're gonna see how it looks on the car right now real quick, because this is really nice and aggressive. Looks super nice. All right, so you guys know where to start off with. Push tabs come off, and then this comes off. Two screws behind it, they come off. You can take this off a little bit so you have more leeway to play with this here. That was already kind of loose a little bit, so one clip was there, just came off. And next up, of course, you just take off that bolt, that one right there. There's one inside right there. There's one right there. So it's 4. And then 5, 6. And then on this side, you got 2 right here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So remove these, and then we'll go from there. I already took off the 2 screws in the bottom. And to remove this side, just kind of use a pry tool here. See, it comes off. And then do the same thing on this side right here. So do the same thing on this side. Make sure you guys don't lose this white clip, right? This white clip stays onto this. And then once it's removed, guys, one hand is tough right here. You see that? I didn't want to lose that. All right, so once you do that, I'm gonna save this before I lose it. So all you gotta do is kind of wiggle a little bit and remove those clips. And careful not to break it. And again, if it's like tight somewhere, just use the pry tools. Just like that. You can take the whole piece off. And then there's the plug for here for the reverse camera, and I believe your license plate light as well in the bottom. So for that, literally just that comes off. And yeah, if you ever want to change this as well later on, the one that lights up, that's all you got to do is just take off these 8 bolts, not 8, sorry, 12, nope, 8 bolts, and then you should be good to go, I would say. And then yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, actually just 4 bolts on the inside. See, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and the middle screw, and the rest just comes off just with the green tabs. Yeah, if you want to take the emblem off, now is the perfect time to do it. Plastic dip it or whatever. All you gotta do is push these clips off of it, and the 2 clips in there just like stuck onto it. Just kind of hit it with a nail or something like that slowly, and it should pop right open. They should open up easily. And you can plastic dip it whatever you want, and put some vinyl, not vinyl, 3M tape, Gorilla 3M tape behind it, and stick it really good. You should be good from there. But yeah, as far as just taking off these taillights right here, it's pretty simple. Just kind of hit it a little bit upwards, and it should pop right out. All right, check this out. That top piece is gone. And then took off this as well. And this is coming off. All you gotta do is kind of push it a few times, and it pops right out. Just 2 tabs that's like in there, and it kind of keeps it tight there. So that's that. And let's go ahead and put those on right now and see how that turns out. So instead of taking this off, just loosen this up by pushing it in and put the wire through that, and then pull this back out. And that should seal it. So this way you're not open. This way you don't have an open hole for water to go through. Like, it's super easy. All you gotta do is push that in, just like that, and then feed this through it. Make sure you guys put the right side. Whichever side connects to the tail lights, you want to push the other opposite side to the inside. All right. So feed it like that. I'm using one hand right now, so bear with me. And then come right over here, and it's right here. So what you want to do is go behind this right there, where the clip is. But what I usually do is take this clip off. It's actually sealed and is locked back here, not up here, you know what I mean? So I just like to take this clip off and then go around it, and then push this over, and then this way this wire is sealed underneath it that way. This way it doesn't come back out from here. It gets locked over there, so it won't come here. So it would be just like this. See that? There you go. It's flushed in. Flushed in. It's so dirty out here. Yeah, just dirt. Alright, so make sure the connections are in the bottom right there. And it looks like that's gonna be the reverse. So it looks like the stock ones has to come off. Usually a bulb up there. So this socket has to come off. And then that should go in for the reverse. Make sure that goes one way. Yep, fits one way. Plug this guy in and connect this one right here. That's that. And then yeah, you can definitely just put it on the side right there in the corner. It's fine. We gotta put the liner over it anyway. Let's do the other side real quick, and we'll see how that looks. There we go. All right, so this one's gonna be coming off on this side. So we'll go ahead and connect this guy. Oh, not good. And connect this one right here. And also I like the fact that this came with the clip. Some of the taillights doesn't even come with them. Some models, See, that was good. And as far as locking them in, you want to make sure the bottom is flushed. So 2 tabs going first, and then the bottom you want to make sure there's no huge gap or anything like that. So see how the bottom is flush now? That's how you want it to be. And then we should be able to put the 2 screws back in. Finally, last but least, and should be the last clip. All right, and then the clip. Where is it? Oh, my bad. Make sure it's flush in the bottom, just like that, and we're good to go. And whenever you guys remove these screws, make sure you guys put the same one back here. Meaning this was from the top side, not from the bottom. Sometimes it might strip. That happened before to many people. So you want to use the same ones. That should be good. All right, let's go check them out. I'm gonna close that. Yep, it's all done. That's that, and then got the side markers as well. Go ahead, lock it, bro. That'll be the signal.
Yeah.